If someone came in to have their eyes checked, first thing we're going to ask about their vision insurance or medical insurance. If we're providers, we'd be more than happy to file that insurance for you. You'd go through a series of pre-test equipment and then sit down with a doctor, go over pros and cons of what your current contact lens or glasses are doing for you, and we'd help you to see to the best of your ability. We have 2 locations, one in Blue Springs, one in Raytown. We have 4 doctors and we have really convenient office hours with Saturday appointments available. Our front desk is wonderful. They'll help you to get you a very early appointment, whatever suits your schedule the best. We have great technicians to help you with contact lenses. If you're a new patient to contacts, we'll do the best we can to help you insert and remove them. We have a contact lens inventory, and it's nice to be able to leave with a fresh pair of contact lenses. We also have an optician staff to help you look at frames, get you the best bifocal necessary. We have an in-house lab that can typically grind most lenses the day of, so many prescription glasses are made within an hour at this office. We also have diagnostic equipment. We now do glaucoma follow-ups, cataract co-management, and diabetic eye exams. I like helping people. I have bad vision myself, so it was a great opportunity for me to help out people the way my optometrist did when I was young.